One group component is defined in Material UI, and using this component we can group related buttons. To use this component, just import it from Material UI core. So we can import this button group, and we need to, let me add it here, button group, and we can add one or multiple buttons inside this button group. So let me add few buttons. This one is first, and 1 2 3 4 5. So this one is second, this one is third, fourth, and fifth. So if you see here, then you can see that these buttons are aligned together, and these are currently in the horizontal. So we can also change that orientation to vertical. Just give this orientation here, orientation equal to vertical. Now these are aligned vertically. We can also give one area level here, area level buttons. Similarly, we can also add the color. So we can have primary, secondary, or any different color if we have defined any other palette. So it's, if I put it secondary color, then these are changed to secondary, all of these buttons. Then also we can change the type of this button. So the content type, we can edit as text. This variant, we can change it as text, or we can change it as outlined, or we can change it as content. If I change it to primary, then it will take the primary color. Then also we can change the size of these buttons. So let me copy this one and paste it 2 times here. It can be small, medium, or large. By default it's medium. So if I give the size as small, so it moved to the small, and if I give the size as large, then all these buttons will be moved to large, the small, medium, and large. We can also say remove the elevation of this, all of these buttons. So if you write disable elevation, then it removes that elevation. So these are the basics of button group. So it is mainly used to like group like related buttons, and we can apply the same theme for all of these buttons. Using button group, we can also create complex buttons like this one, split button. You can check this example here, how this split button is created. So that's all for today. If you love this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.